Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Yesterday, on 31st August, we have done worksheet number 49 of English. I have explained it to you, and today we are going to discuss the answers. Okay, now let's see task A. In task A, in the first picture, we can see sun. So, the answer of that is sunny. The spellings are SUNNY. In the second picture, you can see the wind. So the answer of that is windy. Spellings are WINDY. In the third picture, you can see there are clouds in the sky. So the weather which is described here is cloudy, and spellings are CLOUDY. And in the last picture, you can see the rain. So that weather is rainy, and spellings are RAINY. Now task B. How is the weather today? Yesterday also I have told you that it depends how is the weather outside your home. So you look outside and see how is the weather. Today also I can see the clouds outside, so I am going to write today the weather is cloudy. Now we will do task C. The phrases are written in front of you and you have to write them in the column in the table. So I have written, on the hot sunny day, what you can do? You can enjoy the cold drink. When there is a hot day, you enjoy cold drink. And what you can't do? Wear a sweater. You can't wear a sweater in a hot sunny day, right? And on a cloudy day, what we can do? We can watch the clouds in the sky because it's a cloudy day. So I have written watch the clouds. And what you can't do? You can't see the sun because there are clouds in the sky. You can't see the sun. In the third, on a windy day, what you can do when there is a wind? Then you can fly a kite. And what you can't do? You can't use an umbrella because of the wind. On the fourth, on the rainy day, what you can do? You can see a rainbow in the sky. And what you can't do? You can't go out without an umbrella. Otherwise, you will get wet. Right? Next, on a foggy day. On a foggy day, when there's a fog outside, you can't see properly. So what you can do? You can walk or drive carefully on road because there's a fog. And what you can't do? You can't drive fast because there's a fog outside. Now task D. It's very simple. You have to match the words with the correct picture. In the first picture, you can see the sun and also the clouds. So it's partly cloudy. In the second picture, you can see the thundering and lightning. So it is thunder and lightning. In the third picture, you can see the fog. The weather is not very clear, so it's a fog. So it's a foggy weather. And in the last picture, you can see the hailstorm, and the answer is hailstorm. Okay, thank you so much. See you with the next worksheet now.